That's right, Freddie. Now, it's not what most would think of to gift someone, but it actually makes a lot of sense since it is the gift that keeps on giving.
That is right. And of course, that is the gift of beauty. And here to tell us more about it, some of the procedures available to us, is Dr. Carlos Ayala. Good morning, doctor. It's so good to have you.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Well, I think the big push right now in aesthetics and in beauty is trying to do things without any downtime. So anything that you can do in your lunch hour, your lunch break, or just before a big date or something like that, that's the way to go. So we're looking at, we're talking about Botox, fillers, and...
How long does that take, doctor? For somebody that's been wondering, you know, want to do it now, you've heard it all this time, but don't really know how the procedure works.
You know, in a few minutes right in my office, we can go ahead and perform the Botox, and usually you're able to get out of there in 5 or 10 minutes.
And how painful is it?
It's not very painful. Some people need some local anesthetic topical, a little bit of ice, or just a little bit of... Take a quick deep breath, little prick, you're done.
And so what is it that you're actually injecting into the skin?
It's a botulinum toxin, which is an agent that causes the muscle to not move anymore so that you can't form that wrinkle.
Okay.
And your skin is smooth.
And so where on the face do you inject Botox?
You can inject anywhere around the eyes and here, anywhere where there's any wrinkles, even in your neck, all different places.
That's for the wrinkles. Now, what about fillers? How does that
plump up?
Yeah.
Yes, well, it plumps up your lips, it plumps up your cheeks, it helps you to have more fullness and a more youthful appearance, the fillers.
The fillers do that. And so what is that gets injected?
Well, most of the fillers are hyaluronic acid, which is just a sort of jelly that's naturally occurring in your body. It gets injected into your face, it draws water into the face and causes a fullness to the face.
And in how many, I guess, minutes or days do you see results, or are they immediately? Like, let's say on the lips.
In the lips, you'll see results right there in the office. You'll see a little bit of extra swelling a little bit later. But then pretty much within a few days, it'll settle out and you'll see your final results.
And so, doctor, what is the long-term result of this? How long does it wear off? Is it forever?
Yes, all of these treatments are temporary. The Botox should wear off within 3 months. The filler, depending on where it's injected and the type of filler, can last anywhere from 6 months to a year.
To a year. And now we want to talk about another important thing you were telling us about the...
Oh, it's a tripolar.
The tripolar.
This is another non-invasive procedure that's done in the office. It's a body contouring machine where you use a radio frequency energy to melt fat and tighten skin. And that can be done quickly during a lunch break or any time of the day or right after the office hours, and you'll see results.
Right after the office hours. We did that.
Exactly.
We took
you know, as a matter of fact, we wanted to see how it, we're wondering, does it hurt, does it not hurt? Basically, it feels like a hot stone massage.
Yes, that's right. That's right, a hot stone massage.
And the people, like now, your clients apply it to basically anywhere in your, like any body part.
Yes, it's very good for the face, to tighten the face, to, you know, get rid of some fat around here, but it's also great for the hips and the thighs and cellulite along the legs. It's great for that.
And so how many treatments would you suggest before you see results?
Well, you'll see results usually after 1 treatment. You'll see some results. To get the maximum effect, we recommend about 8 treatments.
And so what are those results you see immediately?
You should see a decrease in inches from your waist or a tightening of the skin right away. Then with time, you'll see a greater effect because you'll begin to generate new skin and collagen underneath the skin.
Well, doctor, it's always good to know about all these beauty tips and things we can now incorporate and to make us look more beautiful.
Keep us young.
Right.
And ready for Valentine's.
Yes, thank you so much, Dr. Ayala.
Sure.
And where can people get a hold of you if they want to contact you?
Well, you know, they can call the office at 631-4515, and we're just here in Edinburgh.
Okay, perfect. There you have it. Get Valentine's Day ready right there with Dr. Ayala.